Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the Trick Shot Masters. By another, I mean only one, because this is our first video actually. We're having a tour of our house. By house, I mean just our pets, because we don't have life. Oh wait, look at that wood. So we're just gonna show you all our pets. Here's one. Oh, look at that deformed gummy bear. Let me zoom out. Oh, this is so zoomed in.
I've been messing with him and just squishing him.
It's gross.
His name was Benny the bear.
Mia.
He is dead, the bear.
This is Mia. She can't look up because it's really sunny. And yeah. So this is our little bunny house. As you can see, there's a little railing goes around. And there's a little house for them.
Oh my God! Look how many poops they did.
This is their little house right here. They sleep in here. Little towels. Let me fix this. This is their. Oh my God. Stay. No. Stay. Well, yeah. Okay, there we go. And then here's their water, their food. They have a little ramp to get in there. Look at his gummy web. Can you see it? Barely. Oh, well, here we have our first bunny. We have Benny, the black one, and then Thumper, the white one. They're so tiny. I'll pick one up later in the video for you guys.
And wait for me.
And then now we're gonna go see our bunny. Not bunny, but she's, oh my God. Well, we're just gonna go see Donatello the turtle.
Donatello the turtle. His name was after Raphael. Remember we changed it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now his name is Raphael. Look at him swimming free.
Fish. His name is Fish.
His name's Algebra.
Oh yeah, Algebra.
His name's Algebra.
Algebra.
He's an algae eater. He's huge. Look at this turtle. What are you doing, buddy? Are you stuck? You're fine. So that's literally all the pets we have, sadly. Let's see the gummy bear. Christian is stuck on a pole.
The gummy bear's really sticky.
See your hands. The gummy bear.
Oh,
there we go.
yay, we got it out. Ow.
There's the house.
Clap.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. There's right there. And we're on our deck
Y'all
right
told me
now.
to clap and I clap.
Little fireplace, our little lights. Sit down at my chair of business. Now we're just gonna shoot guns. And maybe, yeah. And maybe do this, because I learned how to do it, see? It's easy. Wait. Okay, no, I need you to hold this.
Bubble gum.
Look, see?
I like bubble gum.
Show it.
Do I look at you?
Yeah.
Who wants to look this gummy bear in my hand?
Not me.
Christian,
Well,
watch
that's
out.
a lot of hair.
Christian,
Wow, look, see that?
easy.
Don't do
I
that.
just learned how to use it. It's easy.
Don't do this at home, guys.
Don't touch it.
Look at it.
We
homos are not doing that. We homos are not doing anything.
Don't say that, Noah.
Oh, good.
Noah and Lily.
Well, that's the end of the video. I'll see you next time on Trick Nation.
Next time we see you, we're probably going to be...
Bye!